Uh, Hello. Today we are going to talk about one small part of programming, and in this we can see actually what is an array and how to use an array. Actually, array is popular in almost all the languages. Let's see a small part. So, array we can say uh, is a collection of multiple data items, maybe the numbers, maybe the strings, uh, and it stores all those data under the single name or the same name. So that is called array, and it is helpful when we have multiple data to be input in our program. Like suppose we have 5 names to input, 5 numbers to input, then in the case we have to use this array. And obviously to access the value we have to use its index value. Index value we may start from 0 or 1, unlike other languages. That's all. Now what is the syntax? Syntax is here we use this dim keyword, and then we give the name of array, then we give the size. If the size is only 1, then it is one dimensional. If it is more than 1, that is multi-dimensional. So this is multi-dimensional, and it is for the matrix. So very simple example is here. So this is the declaration part of that array. Going to store 5 values. Loop runs from 1 to 5, and we are inputting data here, yes or no. Then we are printing same data. Similarly for the matrix we use this one. Let's do it practically. Let's save it first. Let's run it. So asking for the numbers, we can say here, let's give some numbers: 2, 3, then 90. So here are the numbers we have input here. In this way we can use the one dimensional array. So that's all. Similarly, if we want to go for the 2D array, so how to go for that? Let's say here, let's create a new file. we need same loop. Let's copy it. For the next line we have to simply use print. Yes, that's all. Let's save it. Now going to run it. So asking for the values. Let's give values here. 1, 2, then 3, then 4. Okay, here is the values we have got here. Now what we need there, we have to display the same row first. So for this we have to use a semicolon. Let's rerun this. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Look here. First it is printing first row, then it is printing next row. Means first is 2, it is for the number of row, and next 2 it is for the column. How many rows? 2 rows. So this loop it runs 2 times. And how many columns here? 2. So this loop it runs 2 times. It is for the column, and input is done for the first row, that is 1, then the next row, that is 2. Means first row this runs 2 times, 1 and 2. Second row it again runs 2 times. Okay, so input done there, and after that we have to print the same value, that is 1 to 2. And this first we have to print the rows, the values or the numbers of the first row in same line. For that we have to use the semicolon, and after that this print is for the next line. That's all, nothing more there. I hope you also about this one. Just stay tuned for the next video. Thank you, take care.